So I'm very glad to be in India for the first time. To me, it's a very incredible country, very new for me. And I see there is a lot of potential for renewable energies, for mobility, for charging infrastructure. A lot of things it's to be developed. And there is an opportunity for many players in the fields like battery storage, renewable energy sources, photovoltaics, wind energy, and so on. And one of the reasons why I'm here is to judge about the opportunity of the market which is behind, to evaluate the supply chain opportunities in India, and also to see which kind of technologies are the main to be used in Indian environment, which is pretty specific compared to Europe. The renewable energy sources are boosting very rapidly in this time. It was kind of slowed down in the last years, but now again, because of geopolitical reasons and the needs for energy independence, there is again a kind of boost of interest in renewable energy sources, especially solar and wind. But together with solar and wind, we need also stationary batteries. So there is a lot of project under development, and we will see the market growing also in Europe. So India, it's actually we can look at India from 2 points of view. First, there is an enormous potential for deployment of renewable energy sources and batteries to reinforce the electricity grid, to make the grid more stable, to add new energy capacities to the grid. And on the other side, we can see India also as a country of manufacturing of renewable energy sources. We see a lot of solar panel manufacturers already at the show. We see the players that are working in power converter industry in India. So why not to expand this business to create more jobs in renewable energy sources, going more towards batteries, develop more towards electric mobility, eventually to charging infrastructure, which has to go with electric mobility actually. Actually, there is a lot of different technologies that we call under common name lithium-ion battery. But it is not a single technology. There are many different technologies and sub-technologies. So if we speak about the technologies, we speak about the NMC battery, about LFP battery, but there are also some sub-variants of those batteries, and there is a lot of improvement what can be done in terms of chemistry, in terms of battery format, battery cell design, battery pack design. So there is still a lot of untapped potential for improvement of existing technologies, but at the same time, there are the laboratories and the companies working on what we call beyond lithium-ion batteries, like sodium-ion battery, flow batteries, and so on. And we can see also some market for those batteries in the future. Actually, this is a very big questioning about the recycling of the batteries, but actually the recycling of lithium-ion batteries from consumer application, they exist since years already in Europe or in other countries. Now we are speaking about the volume, which is much higher actually, and the recycling of bigger battery packs. It's not so easy compared to single cells that are removed for smartphones or from light torch and so on. So there is much higher complexity, the safety issues, and also the issues about the building the recycling capacities, because we are not speaking anymore about hundreds of tons per year. We are speaking about dozens of thousands of tons per year. So this is another challenge also from a capital point of view, to get the funding to build those capacities. But many players are working on improvement of recycling technologies in order to recycle a higher percentage of the valuable material and to reduce the cost of the recycling and improve the environmental impact actually, to reduce the environmental impact of recycling. So actually we are looking at Yole, we are looking on the different markets. So actually the base of our investigation is everything related to semiconductor material devices, like silicon carbide, gallium nitride. but we are looking on different applications, and many of those applications like PV, wind, electric mobility, electric charging infrastructure, these are related also to batteries. Somehow the battery is a key to deploy a high volume of wind energy, high volume of PV panels and so on. So we are looking also very closely on deployment of the battery storage. And we are doing the evaluation of the market. We are providing the technology market reports. You can find on our website some of the examples of this report. And we are providing also strategic consulting to investors, to big companies that are looking for suppliers or innovative technologies. And on the other side, for small companies that are looking for investor or strategic partners or potential customers. We have one analyst in India that is based in India, and we have also the Asian players that are based. Our headquarters for Asia is actually in Japan, but we are covering also Taiwan, India, and China.